Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the car immobile and safe. Park level, handbrake on, chock the rear wheels. Next, loosen the front wheel nuts slightly while the tire still touches ground so they won't spin. Then position the jack at the recommended lift point and raise the car until the tire clears the ground. Once done, place a jack stand under the chassis and lower the car gently onto it. This prevents sudden drops and keeps you safe while you work. You now remove the loosened wheel nuts and take the wheel off, checking the brake rotor and hub for damage or debris because a clean mating surface prevents wobble. Fit the replacement tire by aligning the studs, then push the wheel on and hand tighten the nuts in a star pattern to seat it evenly. Once the car is lowered until the tire just touches the ground and won't spin, finish by torquing the nuts to the manufacturer's specified value. This ensures correct clamp force and wheel safety. You finish by lowering the car fully, removing the jack and rear chocks, and confirming tire pressure matches the sticker value. Proper inflation prevents uneven wear. Make sure to re-torque wheel nuts after driving 50 to 100 kilometers because settling can loosen them. If you feel vibration or hear unusual noise, stop and re-inspect the wheel, hub surface, and torque of each nut. This single troubleshooting step catches common fitment errors quickly and prevents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.